Hello, viewers. Let's make some makgeolli, some delicious Korean rice wine. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe involving burdock. This is burdock, roasted burdock for tea. This is what it looks like. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe. First, a trivia interruption. Velcro. I did not know that. Okay, let's get to the recipe. This is going to be a two-stage recipe. Start off with juk, rice flour porridge, 200 grams of rice flour, 800 milliliters of water. Stir that continuously until it gets thick and cool it to room temperature. While we're waiting for it to cool, let's mix up our 90 grams of naruk, 200 milliliters of water, and half a teaspoon of yeast. And now that the juk has cooled down, let's put it in our sanitized fermentation jar and pour in the naruk mixture and stir that really well. Okay, so this is the first stage of our brew starter. Okay, and it softens up right away, and I stir it 3 times a day for the first 2 days. This stirring is important to get enough air into there, get that yeast working right at the beginning. So on day 2, we're going to make steamed rice, sweet rice, 800 grams. And yeah, let's prepare this burdock. I'm going to make a very strong tea with 25 grams of roasted burdock and 400 milliliters of water. I want to simmer this and reduce the water down. Add more water as needed. You want to have about 200 milliliters of liquid at the end. So simmer that for 10 minutes, let it cool down to room temperature. While we're waiting for that, we'll steam the rice for 40 minutes. And once that's cooled down, now everything is at room temperature. Stir the first stage one more time, and then add in the rice. And here's our burdock tea. Very strong, and has a very strong smell as well. I wouldn't want to drink this. This would be too much. That would be too strong. I'm straining it, so just the tea is mixed into the jar by hand. All right, looks good. So leave the lid loose, put it away to ferment in a dark place, and this is what it looks like. So that obviously the tea gives it, the burdock tea gives it a darker color. You can see the rice breaking down now and falling to the bottom. And day 13, I'm going to bottle it. Mix it up and pour it through the strainer. And squeeze it through. Okay, it's in the bottles. Nice color. Let's taste it. Yeah, I definitely can smell and taste the roasted burdock. It is a hearty kind of vegetable flavor, a bit medicinal. It actually tastes better in the makgeolli than it does just as a tea, at least for me. Mixed in with the makgeolli, that mellows it out a bit. It's a little harsh or strong, and it is a bit bitter as well. So that's roasted burdock. Let me know your brewing experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching.